Critical Library Mismatch involving the Debug Library DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer, and I'll help you get your PC back to a stable state. Before we start the Debug Library Manual Guide, check the description for a professional diagnostic utility. This is the Debug Library, a native Windows system library providing foundational routines for process debugging and crash report generation. It facilitates the communication between the system kernel and debugging monitors. If this file is corrupted, Windows may fail to generate minidumps during a system crash, and software diagnostic tools will report that the debugging engine cannot be initialized. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. This error suggests a failure in the underlying Windows architecture. Open Command Prompt with administrator privileges and execute sfc/scan now to restore core system components, including the missing Debug Library DLL. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the debug library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. A restart won't fix broken performance counters, so we'll use step 3 to force a rebuild of those links. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr//r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance counters often fail due to registry hive inconsistencies. By wiping and rebuilding these entries, we ensure the system can properly recognize and load the diagnostic library again. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. Installing an unverified version of Debug Library DLL is one of the most common ways to accidentally bypass your system's built-in security firewall. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. For users seeking a more stable Windows experience, the link below references a cleanup utility related to Debug Library and system libraries. If this diagnostic guide saved you time launching Debug Library today, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more expert-level troubleshooting.